The VEVOR 140A 4-in-1 welder is an incredibly versatile machine, offering multiple welding modes such as DC Pulse TIG, DC Pulse MMA, lift TIG, and MMA stick, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from home DIY projects to outdoor repairs. Equipped with a large and intuitive LED display, this welder allows users to easily monitor and adjust settings, enhancing the overall welding experience and efficiency. The Synergistic welding feature of this machine automatically recommends optimal current and wire feed speed, adapting to both beginners' needs for simplicity and professionals' demands for customization. Capable of welding various materials including carbon steel, copper, stainless steel, and titanium, this welder is highly versatile and supports multiple electrodes such as E7-118, E6013, and E6011. Safety is a top priority with built-in features like voltage reduction device, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheat protection, ensuring secure operation. The adjustable hot start feature ensures smooth arc ignition and reduces electrode sticking, minimizing spatter while maintaining arc stability during the welding process.